When we start looking at the last level of technology, robots, the big question is, are they always accurate? And that's just such a loaded question. Are they more reliable than humans? Yes. Are they more reliable than semi-automated systems that use peristaltic pumps? Yes. But every system has, has potentials for flaws. So are they always accurate? No, they're not always accurate. And that goes back to what I mentioned earlier about flawed consumables. If the vial's underfilled, if the syringe is deformed, if the bag doesn't have enough fluid in it to start with, then the robot can't make an accurate dose. So the doses that the robot makes and validates as correct are accurate, but there are going to be problems based on flawed consumables that will lead to accuracy problems with robotics, just like it would in a manual process. However, in general, robots take accuracy to an entirely another level. These are highly engineered devices that perform very precise manipulations. They self-check during, before, and after each dose. So the accuracy level that they bring is unprecedented, that we would have difficulty achieving that in manual processes. For example, the scales that are used to transfer and validate fluids. They perform a self-calibration, and if the self-calibration fails, the machine's going to stop and it won't continue working. Really, when we start looking at robotics, we have to start thinking about the beauty we see in every other industry. It's that we take human error and variability out of the compounding equation. These robots as well allow us to advance the assurance of sterility. Because robotics are generally enclosed in a HEPA-filtered environment, we have a much higher degree of sterility assurance because there's no human contact during the compounding process. And I think last, from a robotics perspective, is the impact that it has on our human capital. It's very interesting that it takes a good 6 months to become really adept at manual sterile compounding. With robotics, if I can train a new technician how to properly sanitize the materials and load them into the machine and press the start button on the machine, that technician is immediately being productive while they're learning their new role doing manual sterile compounding. So this is just one more way that when we start looking at technology, that the combination of human plus technology is better than either one alone.